how to set up split shipping step-by-step guide. In this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to configure your shipping settings and unlock the split shipping feature for smoother order fulfillment. First, go to your dashboard. This is where you control all your delivery preferences to ensure faster and more efficient shipping. Toggle to the Configuration tab, scroll down to the Split Shipping settings. Check if the split shipping is allowed or disallowed. If you choose Split Shipping Disallowed and Saved, if you see it in the order log, the order will be shown as rejected. Now see order number #1032. Now let us see how you can enable the split shipping. Go to the Configuration tab, scroll down to the Split Shipping settings. This time, click on Split Shipping Allowed to enable split shipping. Click on Save button, then click OK. Want to see how an order gets fulfilled using split shipping? Head over to the Order Log tab. See how order number #1035 is split shipped by Amazon MCF and non-Amazon 3PL. With the split shipping feature, orders with multiple items can be shipped separately from different warehouses or suppliers. This ensures that customers receive their items faster and without delays. Before going live, always test your shipping settings by simulating an order. If everything works perfectly, click Save and you are ready to ship. Now, congratulations! Your store's shipping is now streamlined for faster, smoother, and more profitable order processing. This will save time with automation and ensure accurate delivery cost. Thanks for watching.